Welcome to our ClayDesk eCampus YouTube channel. I'm glad that you're here. You'll find several courses, promo videos, tutorials in the fields of technology, business, IT, and so forth. The whole idea to put together this channel from the ClayDesk eCampus team is to make sure that you learn and you gain additional skills. And if you want to watch a tutorial, that's fine. We have tutorials on SharePoint server, we have tutorials on Office products, Office 365, and a whole bunch of other programming languages such as PHP, Java, e-commerce, how to make a cart, and so on. So the entire idea is for you guys to come here and take a look at these tutorials and learn and gain some additional skill set. Also, don't forget to visit our eCampus that's shown in the link below. So take a look, there are several courses, lots of free ones. So we keep adding these courses every single day. So watch out for these free courses. So you might want to register there, and that's all for free. So there's no catch to it. So subscribe to this channel, make sure you save it, visit and watch these videos. And thank you for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in one of my courses.